Ever wondered how to simplify your design process? Figma might just be the answer. This game-changing tool is more than just a design platform. It's a cloud-based design tool that lets you collaborate in real time, removing barriers and speeding up the creative process. Imagine brainstorming, designing, and refining all in one space, no matter where you or your team are in the world. It's collaboration made easy and design made simpler. Now, why don't we dive into the specifics of this revolutionary tool? Getting started with Figma is as easy as pie. The first step on your Figma journey is creating a new project. Simply click on the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen, and you're off to the races. Now, let's bring your ideas to life. You can add shapes to your canvas with just a few clicks. Choose from a variety of options like rectangles, circles, and polygons to create the basic structure of your design. You can even customize these shapes by tweaking their size, color, and position. Next, let's add some text. Click on the Text tool, then click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. You can adjust the font size and color to match your vision. Now, it's time to spice things up with some images. Just click on the Image tool, locate the file on your computer, and then click Open. You can then resize and reposition the image as needed. Moving on to the Design, Prototype, and Inspect panels. These are your best friends in the design process. The Design panel lets you create and modify your designs. The Prototype panel is for creating interactive prototypes, and the Inspect panel provides all the details of your designs, handy for developers. One of the great things about Figma is that you can share your designs instantly with your team members. You can even collaborate in real time, making the design process smoother and more efficient. And voila, just like that, you've created your first design in Figma. So we've seen how to use Figma, but what makes it truly stand out? Figma is a design tool that offers a unique blend of key features, each aimed at enhancing your creative workflow. Its real-time collaboration capability is a game changer. No matter where you are in the world, you and your team can work together on a project simultaneously, seeing changes as they happen. Then there's the cloud-based storage. With Figma, you can say goodbye to the nightmare of version control. Your designs are automatically saved and synced in the cloud, ensuring you always have access to the latest iteration. But what really sets Figma apart is its all-in-one design approach. You can design, prototype, and inspect all within the same platform. This streamlined process eliminates the need for multiple tools, making your design process more efficient and cohesive. Figma really does simplify the design process, doesn't it? The next time you embark on a design project, give Figma a try. You won't be disappointed.